welcome back to the Design Studio. In this video I'm going to share with you how I transformed this little closet to something more functional to be able to host all my paints. It is a small closet underneath our staircase. It's not even comfortable to walk inside, but I'm going to make it work. Let me share with you how. First thing I did is to gather all the components, everything I'm going to be needing to make this transformation possible. I really recommend these wall driller anchors. They come in a package and they are great to use. Very secure and strong. I use these shelf tracks. They're not hard to install. The key is to make sure that they're level. Something important to mention is that you should do this manually. What I end up doing is placing the first one on the top and then marking where the second one was going to go. Then I remove the track and install the second anchor at the bottom. Then I continue placing all the shelf tracks. Keep in mind that before you start, you need to plan ahead where all your tracks are going to go. After all the tracks are in place, I'm going to start positioning all the brackets that are going to hold the boards. It's starting to look good. Now, the last thing that I'm doing here is using this edge banding to cover all the edges that look ugly. These were leftovers from my kitchen cabinets, and I am repurposing them for shelving. And this is the fun part, to be able to put everything in order. I'm trying to put things where they make more sense. And because I have these decoupage papers and stencils that are long and flat, I decided to hang them. And this last touch is adding a card where I'm going to probably use it more often. When I started making projects, I think it's going to host everything that I need for that particular project, like my sandpapers, my tissue paper, my gloves. So I wanted it something that I can take out of the closet when I'm working on a project. This is an IKEA product and it's not hard to assemble. I was having a little bit trouble, but I think it's because I was not looking at the instructions correctly. And this closet needed lights, so I added these battery lights. Now I have a clean, functional storage space that keeps everything in reach. And it didn't cost a fortune. I hope I'm inspiring you to rethink what's possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIYs and creative makeovers. I will see you in the next project. Goodbye.